Hello and welcome to WakeupData Hub Knowledge Base. In this short video, we will learn how to delete or disable a project. So first, let's go through what is disable and what is delete and how it's going to affect your project. So let's start with disable. Let's take an example. We have this project Z and we've set it up and we have the items, we have the channels attached, but we know that for the foreseeable future we are not going to actually use it and we don't need it to run and update. So we can choose in this case to just disable it and then come back to it at the point when it's relevant. This way we are not losing any of the setup we did before, so all the mappings, all the information is still available. The only difference is that this project will not update at your scheduled time, so it's not going to update anymore. And you do that by pressing more options and then you press disable project. Now when you are absolutely sure that, let's say, project Z is not relevant anymore, you can choose to also delete it. In this case, be mindful that if you delete a project by mistake, please reach out to our support within 24 hours and we will be able to restore it from our database. In the same way, we press more options and then we delete the project here. The same goes with channels. So let's say in our case we have only one channel, but let's say when you have 10 and Google Shopping is not a channel you want to use anymore, you go to channel and you have the same both options. If this channel is something that you're not going to use for a specific period of time, let's say this month you don't want to focus on this channel, you can just disable it for time being, and in this way this information is not going to go to Google Shopping in our case, but you're not losing any information, any of your mappings. The information still stays here and you can come back to it at any point of time. Now, if you are absolutely sure that Google Shopping is not a channel you're going to use anymore at any point of time, you can also choose to delete it here. So that's basically how you delete or disable a project or a channel. It is also worth to mention that if you disable a project, it will automatically disable all your channels. In the same fashion, if you delete a project, it will automatically delete all your projects. In the case of channels, you are acting only on that specific channel, so the project is not affected in any way. So it is worth actually to think before you want to do any of these changes, what is actually the best way for you to go about it.